So I woke up few minutes back. What time should I tell the time of what? Yesterday I put on new batteries. What that it shows 11:45. Let me check here too. Yeah, it's 11:44. So 1 minute it's faster, huh, Baba? And shit. They want to fucking bench mess up my time. Yesterday I put on a new batteries. Huh? So I got pressure up and So last night, so yesterday I went out for ride. I want to finish that petrol. That garage thing happened. After that, I don't trust that petrol now. So, the old petrol which I put. So I wanted to finish it. The, then I wanted to mix the new one. So I tried my best riding here, there, yeah, there, yeah. Not in over here, but outside. Then, while I was doing that, my brother was here. He was what? He was at the neighbors with his Oppo phone, talking with a man. I think he was raping that man, right? These are the accusations, right? He was raping that man, huh? But he was wearing men costume when I saw. I came at my door, I saw him. These are the accusations, right? The one was single, the one was divorced. The one was single. His thing is happening. So they show location and they accuse and they show it's rape. Huh? But he was speaking with a man. He was raping that man. Huh? His cock was in that man's mouth. Or was it in his ass? Huh? He was fucking raping that man. And a Oppo phone in his pocket. Nature. Then last night the electricity goes off. Electricity goes out. And I make few videos here. A nutcase thing, and then I go down. Then whatever happened, I suspected whatever happened. Because the once people knew that the electricity is gone, they go up, they come down again. When I start taking snaps on my phone, that means the location thing was happening, as I could suspect. So anyone can transfer phone location on any phone unless and until it's physically checked. So that's the GPS proof market. Right? Is that so? You're highly qualified in tech and a tech illiterate catches you this way. You know what was happening? I'll tell you what was happening. How I figured out the GPS spoof market. No, when I came to know that my phone was synced on 4th of July 2022, informed by Maharashtra Cyber, Badal. So when my phone was synced, I came to know I thought of like I'll keep the phone inside. So that's where I got suspicious of hidden bugs in Chembur as well. So when I used to come out without my phone, still the same suspect used to be around me. And a third guy used to take a picture. That means they are planting a phone location on me. Later I found one passes, then the second guy passes, third guy passes, and each time a picture is taken by the same guy. That means 3 of them had that same phone location. So that's how I came to know. Then I researched about it, and it's called GPS spoof. Huh? So that's the thing. So location is the vacation of your jail. But if I present device, that's what I've been saying. Let me present the device. So look, my brother Vichara took a broom. He was raping them, that man. Chut kuch bhi. My brother's cock was in his ass. Huh? I saw a man while I came back. When I came back, I saw he was speaking with a man. The big lock was there, so he had to. He kept the luggage on his luggage on the door, and luggage, I mean whatever the carry bags he was, food, eatables, gym bag was there, duffel bag was there. You tell me what nonsense is this? This is nonsense. Where am I wrong in not speaking with anyone? Tell me, where am I wrong? Huh? So these rape accusations are a big fuck up for you. Are a big mess up for you. Trust me on this. These dangerous accusations. समझा? उनको जाके मिल गया हो जिनके साथ सच में हो गया, और उनको जाके भी मिलो जो फालतू में फंसे जिंदगी नर के, समझा? how they will tell you how it is. The court knows my preference of sex. It won't harm me. Court क्या, the entire world knows, the court knows. समझा? Everyone says बेंचन तो पुलिस चाहिए था यार. ये ऐसे सब मामलों से कोई बाहर नहीं निकलता है, मालूम है क्या? So, it was damn important to establish this way that you people are not my preference of sex. समझा? Even though you come in my dreams, but you are not. So, just kidding है, ये नया कुछ हो जाएगा. What I had to do? हाँ, मर्दों पे अत्याचार मत करो, उनसे बर्तन घसाओ, हाँ, कब लादी बीदी पोछा मारो. बेंचो ने क्या कर दिया, गधे का लन डाल दिया बेंचो डायरेक्ट उसके गांड में, एसटीडी दे दिया उसको. अभी गाड़ी दिलाया, घोड़ा भी चढ़ाएगा क्या बेंचो? अभी गाड़ी दिलाने वाले ने, तो उसके ऊपर क्या घोड़ा चढ़ाएगा? आदमी की कुछ इज्जत करो, वो बेंचो भले कैसा भी रहे, उसका क्या है, इतना नहीं करना चाहिए. तो लादी पोछ ये सब बोल जब उससे घर पे करवाते हैं ना, वो ठीक है. और बेंचो गधे का लौड़ा डाल दिया बेंचो, उसको एसटीडी हो गया, उसके बाप को, बेड़ूक छाप के बाप को. इतना नहीं करना चाहिए. तो एनीवेज, कितना करना चाहिए और नहीं करना चाहिए ये तुमको समझना चाहिए. हमको क्या करना चाहिए ये हमको मालूम रहना चाहिए. और जो क्या बोलते ना, ये कान में डाल और ये कान से निकाल, हैं? तो तुम्हारा क्या होने वाला है, क्या ध्यान दे, मैं नहीं बोल सकता हूँ. तो एनीवेज, आयुष होगा.